Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's officially 2018, so why don't we get started by making something quick and easy, as in these double chocolate muffins. Let's begin. So into your mixing bowl of choice, you'll want to add all of your butter and your sugar and mix the two together until they're lighter and fluffier in texture and colour. So once you've achieved lighter and fluffier, you will then want to start adding your eggs roughly one at a time, beating well in between each addition. And don't worry, the mixture does curdle, but you'll be able to fix this later on once you add your dry ingredients. Next you'll want to add in some vanilla. I'm using bean paste, but you can use extract if that's what you've got. Next you'll want to add your flour and fold that in until it's about halfway incorporated. Then you'll want to add your two chocolates. I've used milk and white, but you can use whatever you want. Fold them in until just combined, leaving no traces of any flour, and the chocolate is incorporated well. So once you've got your batter, you'll want to divide it by your 12 cases, filling them around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, leaving just a gap so they can rise a little while they're in the oven. I'll leave all baking times and temperatures in the description down below. Optional, you can top them with some extra chocolate chips for more chocolate. So here are what the muffins look like once they are fresh out of the oven. You want to leave them in the tray for around 10 minutes and then remove them to a cooling rack. You can enjoy them slightly warm, as it'll be quite chocolatey, but you can allow it to cool if you want to before eating. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'm now back to my regular uploading schedule of a new video every Thursday at 5 PM, so come and join me then. And if you're here in the meanwhile, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on any video. And if you subscribe, tell me what number you are in the comments down below, and check out my social medias, and I'll be back next week. Bye guys.